Here are the top tips to make car polishing easier, safer, and more effective. First, always position yourself so the panel you're working on is at shoulder height. This reduces fatigue, gives you better control, and helps the results look more professional. Next, apply just the right amount of product. Think small. 1 to 4 pea-sized drops is plenty. Too much compound makes the job messy and less effective. Work in sections. A simple rule is to cover an area about 6 times the size of your pad diameter. This ensures consistency and makes your progress easier to track. Finally, keep your polisher at a moderate speed and move it slowly. Precision matters more than racing across the surface. On curves, keep the pad flat, apply light pressure, and let the machine do the work. Stick to these simple tips and you'll get consistent, professional-looking results every time. Remember, polishing isn't about speed, it's about technique.